Thank you for your purchase of Toysphere Nexa 3-in-1 tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, beautiful color options, parental handle, wide wheelbase, and sturdy body. This tricycle can easily be assembled by using these parts. You will also need a piler, screwdriver. To begin with, take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body with the help of Excel pin on both sides. It's time to place rear wheel caps to the wheels. Now, insert front fork complete to the main body. In the next step, place handle to fork, fix it with the help of lock button. Use plastic bolt to fix handle. Now is the time to place seat to main body. Fix seat to main body with the help of butterfly nuts. In the next step, place flute pipe to the main body. It's time to add a footrest to the main body with the help of nut and bolt. Now attach movement rod from front fork to flute pipe. Lock it with the help of provided nuts. In the next step, fix parental handle to flute pipe with the help of butterfly nut. Now put parental handle to flute pipe. It's time to insert handrest to main body with the help of lock button. Now put umbrella pipe to handrest frame. In the last step, place canopy to the frame to give it a final touch. Your beautiful Toysphere Nexa 3-in-1 tricycle is now ready to use.